We got everything we need right here.
Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. I think it's super important to take time to yourself to de-stress, but I also don't think that should be expensive. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a DIY spa day using things that you might already have around your house. But first, I wanted to say a big thank you for all of your support on that music video I posted a few weeks ago. I know that was a very different video for me and definitely not my typical style, but I still had lots of fun making it, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as well. The reason I'm bringing this up is because the results for that are now out, so if you want to check out the Remix Music Awards, I'm going to leave a link to it down in the description. And I thought, what a better way to watch the Remix Music Awards than by pampering yourself with an at-home spa. So let's just go ahead and get started with our first DIY, which is a golden face mask. To make this face mask, simply combine 2 tablespoons of honey with half a teaspoon of turmeric. The reason why I like this face mask is because honey and turmeric are both anti-inflammatory, which makes it great for acne, reducing redness, and also brightening your skin. Turmeric does stain very easily though, so make sure that when you're applying this, you're not wearing something that you don't want to get a stain on just in case. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face, but make sure to avoid around your eyes because the skin is more sensitive there. Once it's on, you should leave it for around 10 minutes, so feel free to just set a 10-minute timer on your phone, or you could even do a 10-minute stretch routine because that would be really relaxing as well. But what I'm going to do is start making our next DIY, which is a brown sugar and vanilla exfoliating body scrub. To make this body scrub, just combine half a cup of brown sugar with a 1/4 cup of olive oil and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This body scrub smells so good, so usually it's best to use this when you're already in the bath or the shower, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you how to apply it here. So it's great for reducing dry, dead skin. Basically, you just scrub it on any part of your body that you want to exfoliate. So right now, I'm just applying this onto my legs and feet, and then I'm going to wash it off with some hot water, so that's why it's best to do this when you're already in the bath or shower. The last DIY we're going to make is lavender bath salts, and it's one of my favorites because it's great for relaxation and relieving sore muscles. But first I'm going to apply some coconut oil in my hair because that's a really easy way to moisturize it. What I did is I just put some in this little bottle. But that's completely optional. You can easily just spoon out some coconut oil and apply that all through your hair. So I had my hair in a bun and now it's like literally ginormous. I now have the coconut oil all throughout my hair, and you can leave this in for as long as you'd like before washing it out well with shampoo, but at least leave it in for 20 minutes. So during that time, to end off our spa day, I'm going to take a bath with some lavender bath salts. So here's how to make those. The main ingredient of this is 1 cup of Epsom salts, and then to that I'm adding a tablespoon of baking powder, 6 drops of lavender essential oil, and also some purple food coloring just to make it look a little prettier. If you would like, you can definitely leave out the food coloring, and you can also swap out the lavender for a different kind of essential oil. It's actually the next day that I filmed the intro and this outro, so I just wanted to say that I felt so good after yesterday's at-home spa, and if you decide to try any of these DIYs, definitely let me know what you think down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can also click here to watch my most recent video. To subscribe to my channel, just click here, and don't forget to press on the notification bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. Bye!